Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to enable two-factor authentication in Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your browser, search for shopify.com, and sign in your account. And once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on your profile photo here at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Manage Account. So once you're here in your account profile page, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the security section here at the left side of your screen. Now scroll down until you see the two-step authentication section. Now as you can see, when you log into Shopify, you will need to enter your email and password, complete a second step to prove that it's you logging in. You can enter a verification code, use a security key, or confirm your login on a trusted device. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on this turn on two-step button. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and authenticate my account. But once you've clicked on the turn on button, what you need to do is just go ahead and type your password. And here you need to enter once you've typed your password, this is what you need to do. Okay, so enter your phone number. So let me just go ahead and type my phone number right here. So I'm sorry, I won't type my phone number for safety purposes only. So just go ahead and type your phone number right here. Verify that you are a human. Click on the send authentication code button right here. And you should receive the 6-digit code and type it right here and click on turn on. Okay, so let me just go ahead and do that real quick. So it is taking a while, and I think there's a bug right now because I cannot receive the 6-digit code that is sent by the Shopify support. But once you have the 6-digit code, just go ahead and type it right here as I said earlier and click on turn on, and that should enable the two-step authentication here on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.